If I were giving the speech in person, the first thing I would ask was for a volunteer in the audience to take a guess of what percent of the ocean remains unexplored. And the answer to that is a shocking 95% of the world's oceans still remain unexplored to this day. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by the ocean, and only 5% of that water is known. That means that miles and miles underneath our feet, there are vast benefits just waiting to be explored. And without our involvement, this may never happen. But ocean exploration with our involvement will become a more certain reality in the years to come. So generally, there's just simply not enough public knowledge or funding towards exploring the ocean, and many experts still don't think that it's safe enough yet. A quote by the article Earth Zine says that generally people don't realize how strongly they are dependent on the ocean and ocean science. The ocean covers 70% of the Earth's surface, but receives less than 1% of the funding for studies. And many experts still don't think it's safe enough because of the extreme pressures and safety risks that the deep ocean has to offer. So the deep reaches of the ocean are places with almost freezing temperatures, corrosive salt water, limited or no light, and very extreme pressures. Not only do we not know what's there, we are often just lacking the tools and technology to even get to these extreme places. So the pressure at the deepest part of the ocean in the Mariana Trench is 15,750 pounds per square inch, which is the equivalent of 3 SUVs sitting on your big toe. So because of this, many experts still don't feel safe enough yet, and as the years go by, as technological advancements continue, we'll start to feel more safe, and then we can finally begin to explore what lies right beneath our feet. So continuing on this idea about technology, technological advancements have revolutionized ocean exploration in the past years, making it more accessible and will continue to make it safer than ever. And we can help raise awareness for the necessity of ocean explorations through multiple platforms, which we have never had the ability to do. So a quote by the National Geographic says, by the late 1950s and 60s, underwater vehicles known as submersibles revolutionized ocean exploration. But today, 60 years later, water column samplers are used to monitor sea surface conditions, and water quality factors covering devices collect sediment samples, sonars help create maps of the seafloor, and ROVs allow us to safely and efficiently explore all parts of the ocean. So as the year goes on, as ocean exploration increases and technology advances, so will our understanding of the way that the ocean functions and supports life on Earth. And another way that especially me and all of you can get involved in this effort is to get educated in the public school system about the ocean's role in our environment and its importance of discovering new species and ecosystems. And I believe that personally we can organize events such as workshops and exhibitions, which can be crucial towards raising awareness, and we can invite experts to discuss their experience and share their discoveries. Basically, all we can do is just get the word out, and as the public starts to begin to know more, people will push for the boundaries of discovery. So these advancements have made it easier to discover and explore the ocean than ever before. They've also helped us better to understand the role that the ocean plays in our lives and in the environment. Modern technology is making ocean exploration a legitimate reality, and for the first time ever, we can reap the benefits that lie beneath us, waiting to be discovered. And another really important reason for why that the public and the students need to get involved in this effort is that today's students, you and I, are the world's future leaders, and involving young people in exploration can push them to pursue careers in STEM. And if this continues as the year goes by, there will begin to be record numbers of scientists pushing the boundaries of discovery that can possibly change the world. One of the other biggest things that we can do is we can take to social media. So for the first time ever, the digital era has made it easier than ever for our voice to be heard by the world. All it takes is a simple repost to grab someone's attention, who then will have the ability to get thousands and thousands of other people involved just by one post. And this chain reaction of involvement that social media has provided us is an amazing way to raise the necessity of exploring the ocean, and everyone in this room has the power to play a crucial role towards discovering the endless possibilities that await us.